Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to connect your smartphone with your Kawasaki Rideology app to your bike and just give you some review how or what can you do with this app. Wish there could be a lot more things can be done, but unfortunately only few things can be done with the app. But I'm just going to show you how to connect it to your bike and give you a tour of the app. Alright guys, so once you have your bike on and your app is installed on your phone, go to your app, open it, and once you open it, you just go to the bottom section of the app and the setting tab, and then vehicle pairing. Once you do that, you should be able to see your bike will show up. So in order to go into the menu settings, you have to press and hold these two buttons together for a few seconds, and then you'll bring you to the menu section. Vehicle settings, display, date and time, clock, service, and Bluetooth. So once you go to the Bluetooth section, you just scroll down there and then select yes, and once you do that, you will see that you have to have the Bluetooth on, so which I'm going to show you just to turn it off and turn it back on. So just set to off. So now the Bluetooth is turned off. To turn it back on, you just select the Bluetooth and then switch it to on, and now it's on pairing mode, so it's searching for the devices. So let's open up the phone again. Go there, vehicle pairing, total time, it tells you that the range, fuel range, fuel level, which is full, and then MPG, which is 38. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to my iPhone. As you can see, some reason the app wasn't responding, so I'm gonna go back to iPhone and try and show you guys, see how it works. It's the same thing. iPhone also doesn't do very well, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to connect with your iPhone as well. So the same way I connected with my Android phone, so I'll just show you, and everything is the same way. So just click connect, and then you have the pairing code comes up, 777367, and pair, and you can see right there my iPhone is connected. So once you have that connected, you can give the phone the permission, and then same thing again, you get to see all the fuel level, range, and odometer, and battery voltage and stuff. Some of the thing it's limited to bike specific, so you don't see everything like the other bikes, like I think the bikes with quick shifter and things like that, Ninja 1000 and 1400 and things like that, they have, you should be able to enable your quick shifter and things like that through the app, but this bike is not equipped with the quick shifter, so we don't have that options. So once you have your phone connected, you get to see what power mode the bike is on. So this is your home screen, and if you can see the Bluetooth logo right at the bottom showing that the phone is connected, and the settings of the bike is on. So it's on road setting right now, sport, let's see, I thought you should have been able to switch the setting through the phone. See, now it shows road settings, and then Kawasaki traction control at 2, and power is on full, and it doesn't allow you to change it. Strange, but I thought you were able to change it. Click to download. Okay, so download complete. Oh, so yeah, once you click to download, my bike was on sport settings, so once you download it, it just came to sports settings, and it shows you what sports setting is comes with. So you have the full power, and then you have traction control at 1. And let's see if you can change it. You can't change it from here. Change it to max, but for now my bike is still braking, and so factory they set it up at 3400 rpm or 4000, and every time like you going through like over 3000 rpm, the whole tachometers like start flashing and stuff. So I'm like, I just changed that. And you can change your mileage to mpg, US, temperature into Fahrenheit, and distance into miles. Other countries maybe you have it in kilometers and Celsius and other things. Here is the date and clock settings. So you have in US format with the 12 hours time, and that is basically it, guys. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing much you can do with that. All you get is if somebody calls you, let's say, let me show you guys. So let me call myself. So if I call myself and let's see. So I'm receiving a call, and as you can see right there at the bottom, it's showing that it's just receiving a phone call. So it doesn't beep or anything, it just gives you an icon when you're receiving a call. So if I hang up the call, then you can see that it just stays there, meaning that you might have it had a missed calls or something. So that basically it in terms of connecting with your phone. I really wish that they had a GPS connectivity, like it gives you turn by turn direction from your phone to the dashboard, so you don't have to have your phone connected. You might be able to have it in your pocket and just give you turn by turn direction. But for now it's not happening, and hopefully in the future bikes an update, but I don't think this dash will support it. But this basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you guys with connecting your phone to your bike. And if you guys have any questions or anything, please leave your comments below. And please subscribe and like my videos, and I'm hoping to get 1,000 subscribers by end of the summer. So if you guys help me reach there, that would be great. So please like and subscribe and comments. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on next video.